Hello friends, I am Sunil sir and I am back with a new video. Friends, in this video I will be discussing about how to record brain waves. Because the brain waves, when it is released from the brain, it is going to decide the mood of human. And also the brain waves are released as per the age of the humans also. Why young children are so much active, energetic and happy? Why the people who are working, they get tensed, they get stressed? Why the old people are always in a tension? All these waves can be recorded by the help of EEG, electroencephalograph, also called as electroencephalogram. Electro means the electric impulse or the wave, encephalo means the brain. When we talk about electroencephalograph, it is actually the instrument that is used to record the brain waves. And when I say electroencephalogram, it is actually the graph that we get on the monitor screen. So friends, this machine is used to record the waves of your brain, and recording the waves of the brain will help us to understand whether you are happy, whether you are sad. That is most important. What are the different types of waves that we normally see? So the different types of brain waves that is released from the brain, they are alpha waves, they are beta waves, they are theta waves, and even there is one more wave called as delta waves. So just remember, we have alpha, beta, delta and theta. These are the different waves that are released from the brain, but these waves are released as per certain age, as per certain mental thoughts, as per certain behavior of the humans. So let's understand how the waves are going to work, under what condition. So what I will be doing, I will be drawing a human brain. But students, the diagram is only representing the brain. It is not going to show from which part of the brain these waves are released. So don't get confused with the arrows that it is released from the frontal wave or from the parietal brain or from the temporal brain or from the occipital brain. Remember, the brain waves are released from the brain itself. Now what we need to understand? We need to understand the different waves and their role. So let us start with the first part, basically, that we call it as alpha waves. When I talk about alpha waves, when it is released from the brain, now they are released in a certain periodic frequencies. So we can say that the alpha waves, they are always released in 10 to 12 cycles per second. So in every 1 second, 10 to 12 alpha waves are released. But under what condition? Under normal awake condition. When you are awake, when you are listening to something, that is normal awake condition, and under this condition what waves your brain is giving out is all the alpha waves. And when you go to sleep, it disappears during sleep. So alpha waves, I can say A for alpha, A for alert. So it is a kind of alert wave basically, which is released normally when you are awake, and when you sleep it also goes to sleep. When I talk about beta waves, now when I say beta waves, the number of cycles that they are produced, so we can say 15 to 16 cycles per second. In 1 second, beta waves are released 15 to 16 cycles. Now it is a kind of, you can say, the nervous system when it is active, that time beta waves are released. When you are learning something, when you are solving maths problem, when you are solving physics problem, when you are continuously thinking, that time beta waves are released. So mental waves are called as beta waves. You need to increase your beta waves to be very active. Now when we talk about theta waves, so theta waves basically, it is 5 to 8 cycles per second. So every second from the brain theta wave is released. But when? So we need to understand, the students, theta waves are produced in children's, okay, in young ones, not in the adult. Adult, it is very less, and that's why they are very active. Look at the cycles, 5 to 8 cycles per second. Then we have the delta waves. When I say 1 to 5 cycles per second is the delta waves. And the most important part here is that these delta waves, they are produced in the young babies. They always produce lots of delta waves, and they are produced in the deep sleep also. But we need to understand one thing: delta waves are produced in young kids, at the same time they are produced during deep sleep. When you are in deep sleep, where you are just sleeping, doing nothing, not even dreams in your deep sleep. But sometimes it happens if the brain is damaged due to some accident or any kind of accident or reason, then the delta waves are produced in awake condition, and this creates a problem in the human body. So we need to understand, if the brain is damaged, so it can be produced under awake conditions also. And these are the four different waves that are produced by our brain, and it can be easily recorded by the help of EEG machine. The point is, what is EEG also known as? So my dear students, EEG, that is electroencephalograph, is also known as cathode ray oscilloscope. So cathode ray oscilloscope is the other name for EEG. Hope students you would have liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. As my channel is new, help it to grow. Thank you, friends.